Hello world, here's Biti, your Bitcoin trading informant, and this is your daily update for Bitcoin. Yes, we are going down more and more. For the moment, we saw a really big support, and yes, we went down more and more. But guys, the Bitcoin dominance is growing. What does it mean? What will this change? Maybe we will check this in this update. So guys, let's go with this daily analysis. Here's your Biti. We're starting now. So here is CoinMarketCap. Yes, everything is looking really bad. We can see it. Bitcoin is going down in 24 hours, 8%. In 7 days, 17%. 17% in 7 days. That's really ugly. Ethereum is going down more. It's on $2,400 for the moment. You can see 13.2% in the minus, and on 7 days, 26% in the minus. That's really hard. The most coins are going down, and the altcoins are going down more and more as Bitcoin. You can see BNB is going down more, Cardano is going down more, Solana is going down, XRP, Terra Luna, Polkadot, Dogecoin, Avalanche. All these coins are going down more as Bitcoin for the moment. This is really bad, guys. We have a really bad picture here. Everything is red, really everything is red here. And we can see the Bitcoin dominance is growing 41.6%. Ethereum is going down 18%. We have over 17,000 coins in the market. And yes, that's the big thing. What can we see here if we're watching the Bitcoin dominance? You can see it. The Bitcoin dominance is breaking out to the upside. You can see it. We saw here a breaking out Bitcoin dominance here from this downtrend in this little uptrend. And what's happening now for the moment? We are breaking out really fast here. We are on the daily time frame, and you can see this is a massive breakout with the Bitcoin dominance. The altcoins are going down more and more. Guys, you know, the Bitcoin dominance does not mean if we are going here that the price will go up. No, but it does mean that the altcoins are going up not so fast as Bitcoin, or they are going down more as Bitcoin. And in this opinion, you can see it here. The altcoins are going down really more as Bitcoin here. So let's check Fear and Greed Index. Here it is, 13 points, extreme fear in the market. And we will check now what is telling us here TradingView. And I think we have really bad cards here. If you're watching TradingView, we have here a sell on 4 hours, a sell on 2 hours, a sell on 1 hour, a sell on 30 minutes, 15 minutes neutral, 5 minutes, maybe a little buy, a little buy on 5 minutes. But everything here is telling us attention, sell, strong sell, also on the week. So maybe we will see a little bottom here, a little try for a little fight to the upside. But the bigger pictures are telling us, okay, no, we should sell Bitcoin. Coin360, what is telling us this one? The biggest losers here, you can see the dark red, AVAX, Wheat, Phil, Algo, FTT, Phantom, Mana, Hex, Shiba, they are dark red. Everything here is red. Everything here is going down in the market, and that's a really bad picture. I know it, guys. The Bitcoin temperature is going down more and more. Now we are under 1 degree. We are now at 0.93. It's extreme cold here for the Bitcoin price. And if we are watching our patterns, let's check. The weekly, nothing here. Candlestick patterns, the day, nothing. The 5 hour, nothing. We need a bullish sign, guys. We don't have a bullish sign for the moment. Also in the 1 hour time frame, no bullish sign. Only this wick to the downside is a little bullish sign, because you know it, guys, long wicks to the downsides are maybe showing us we will go up here a little bit more. So this is the candlestick pattern. And guys, what I have here is a game. The name is Splinterlands. And I will try to make a first try video with this. Maybe some of you out there is playing this one. This should be an NFT card game. I don't know how it is working, but I will make a first try. And guys, if you would like to make this first try with me, maybe we can make something together. Maybe we can play something together. Maybe we can trade our cards or something like this. I don't know how it's working, but I will check this in the next live video, and maybe we can make a nice live stream together with this game. Let's check it out. So now let's go into our chart analysis. What's going on with Bitcoin? And we can see it here. Yes, we are dumping down really hard. This is the daily time frame. We saw the death cross. After the death cross, a big dump to the downside. Now for the moment we are making some wicks to the downside, but you can see it here, wick to the downside, just a little pump to the upside, a little one. It's not a pump, a little upgoing price, and after this bam, really hard. This wick here was a really nice sign for a hard downgoing Bitcoin price. And yes guys, we're going down really hard. That's the daily. Now let's go into the deeper time zone. Let's check the 15-minute time frame. What's going on here on the 15-minute? Let's cross on the 15-minute. And one of the important things now is this green line. Why? You can see it here. This green line is showing us the SMA, and this is the green one. Let me show you, is the 50. The SMA 50 line is the big resistance for the moment. First of all, if we will see a next pump to the upside, we need to fight back this SMA 50 here. This is the 15-minute time frame. It's not the importance time frame, guys, I know it, but we can see maybe on a 15-minute time frame a changing from a bearish into a little bullish trend if we can fight back the EMA. So that's the next thing. Sorry, the SMA. What do we have here on the 15-minute time frame? We have here this line, guys. That's the bad bearish resistance line. It's a red one, and you can see this is a really bad resistance. We need to fight back, and we are here for the moment trying to fight back. 35,700. If we can fight back this line, this would be maybe the next little sign for an upgoing price here. This would be a nice one, guys. What can we also see in the 15-minute time frame? Let me show you. Maybe that's a little magic glass reading. We are building a shoulder ahead, maybe a next shoulder. Maybe we are retesting this again, and then maybe we can see a breakout to the upside. Here is a really important stuff. Also, this is the trend line. So guys, if we can see a breakout over this trend line, we can see maybe a little breakout to the upside. I know it's the 15-minute time frame. It's not so important. Depends always where we can see a breakout. But it's possible to see this inverse shoulder head shoulder breaking out to the upside, maybe to 37,800. It's not impossible. If we are breaking out here, it's maybe here 37,600. This is a little shoulder head shoulder, little shoulder head shoulder pattern. And I hope for a little breakout to the upside, guys. We can watch also this one here. That's the Fibonacci retracement from the highest point to the lowest point. And what can we see? We need to break out over this Fibonacci, 36,300. And then we have the next one here, 37,600, and so on and so on. But guys, if we will go down again, more and more, it's not looking really nice for the moment. What are the next big targets? I will show you this one here. We are in a bad bearish downtrend. This little bad bearish downtrend is a red one. So the next thing, if we are going down once again from here, first of all, yes, it was this point. This is now the big support, 34,000, a bad spike to the downside. This is now the next big support. Maybe a double bottom, maybe a W pattern. Everything is possible. For the moment, we don't see it, but it's possible, guys. We need to watch this. If we are watching the RSI, Relative Strength Index, come on, here it is. We can see this stuff here, and this is first of all not the baddest thing, because we saw here a nice breakout for the RSI. We are now on about 50 points here on the middle. A nice breakout here to the upside. Maybe we can use this power here for more pump to the upside. It's not looking good. You know it, guys. It's weekend. Maybe we will see a next bloody Sunday. This is also possible. So guys, attention. We have really big problems for the moment. This is the nice support line to the upside. We broke this triangle to the upside, and that's this point now. If we are watching the 1 hour time frame, let me check this. Before we will check this, let me show you the ribbon band, where it is. Come on, my little ribbon band. I can't see the ribbon band. What's going on? Ribbon. Here it is, EMA ribbon. So the ribbon band. And in the 15-minute time frame, you can see it also. Yes, we are fighting. We are fighting with the ribbon band here in the middle for the moment. Big fight with the ribbon band. Big fight with the resistance lines here. Maybe with some volume, we can see a breakout. But attention, guys. The 1 hour time frame, what is telling us this one here? Ribbon band is here on the upside. You can see it, okay? The RSI is oversold here on the downside. Now we're going back up a little bit. And if we're zooming in a little bit more, we can see, yes, this line on the downside, but it's not so important. More important is for the moment this little line here, this one. That's the next resistance, and you can see it for the moment. We are fighting with this resistance. RSI problem, we are fighting with the resistance. We need to fight back to see more power to the upside. We need to watch this, guys. The 4-hour time frame. What's telling us this one? Oh damn, we are so a big oversold here. Look at this. So extreme big oversold. We have to see a next nice little move to the upside. I hope for it. 36,000, 37,000, a little pump to the upside. It's really, really hard here. And the 1-day time frame, what is telling us this one? Oh, extreme oversold. You can see it here, guys. We also have here a bad resistance line coming from the upside. It's this one, but we have some space here. We have some space to the upside, so why not to climb up a little bit from here? Come on, Bitcoin, climb up from here. So this is the quick view what's going on. If we are zooming out now a little bit more, if we are removing the ribbon band, if we are removing all drawings here, let me check this one here, guys. My big thing, what I'm telling you is, yes, of course, don't forget, shoulder, head, shoulder. Don't forget, we saw the baseline here. Don't forget, we saw a breaking down Bitcoin price, a retest, and down again. And don't forget, guys, we have a really bad target to the downside. It's the technical target. It's not my target. It's not me that I'm telling you guys we will go down to this target, but it is a technical target for showing you what it is. It's the price about here. 15,000 is the technical target for shoulder, head, shoulder. And we have a trend line. This is also really important. And for the moment, it's not nice because we broke this trend line also to the downside. Guys, it's really bad. I told you yesterday, we need a confirmed closing candle over this trend line, and what's happening? We're going down more and more and more. It's really dangerous. So before we end the video, let me show you one thing. That's the one thing I would like to show you. That's this one. We have here a really bad line to the downside. Yes, I know it. Remove this, remove this, remove this. And we also have here a line to watch, and this is this line. This is a falling wedge. What happened? I showed you yesterday, guys. It was a perfect hit yesterday, 37,000 here for the falling wedge. I hoped here for a nice breakout to the upside. What's happening? We are breaking down. We are breaking down under this falling wedge, and that's the next big problem that we have for the moment. What is the target for breaking down the falling wedge? This is the target for breaking down the falling wedge. And I can show you the price target. This is here about 23,000. Yes, guys, I know it. It's really ugly for the moment. Everything is looking ugly. I'm really sorry to tell you this one, but yes, it's a really bad stuff. Remember, one of the biggest things to watch here on the downside, 29,000. And now everything is possible to go down more and more and maybe really fast. So attention, guys, attention. If we can fight back, we have really big resistances here, but for the moment, it's not looking really nice for Bitcoin. Sorry that I have to show you this one. This was a really quick update for the day, 12 minutes. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you have now everything you need to trade. And guys, really important, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not a financial advice. Have a nice time. Greetings. Yours Biti, your Bitcoin trading informant. We will see us tomorrow on Sunday with a Sunday update. Bye, guys.
System activated.